So this video is going to go through sample paper D question 2. So part A, the building picture below have parts based on different types of triangles. Using the list given, label each triangle in the space provided. So the first one there, you can see we have a right angle, so we're going to use our right angle triangle answer there. The next one then, we can see the triangle has all equal sides, so it's going to be an equilateral triangle. Our next one then is a scalene triangle. You can see all sides have different lengths and different angles. And our last one then, our isosceles triangle, where it has equal sides and equal angles at the base. And you can see I've ticked them off as I've used them to make sure I don't reuse any of the answers already. Next one then we have is part B, the elevation of the Dockland office building in Hamburg is shown below. Name the regular quadrilateral that the elevation of the building is based on. So that is based on a parallelogram. So you can see sides both going off the same angle, same length. And you can see the base is parallel to the top, and the base length is the exact same length as the top. So they want you below then to draw it. So I'm just going to move the camera down here so you can see it. They want us to basically redraw this down here. So base length is 120 mil, and that's already marked off there for us. And our angle for our base is inclined at 38 degrees. So you can see with this part we're going to have to use our protractor. So I'm going to line that up there. Set my 38 degrees there. And also there as well, and draw two light lines going at 38 degrees parallel to each other. And then I'm going to work out then my height. So I'm told the very top is, this is a 5, 40 plus 5, so a total of 50 going up. So I'm going to take a light line up there, mark off my 5, mark off a distance of 45, and then 50. And take these lines across here, and I can draw in my outline, heavy like that there. And then it's going to be going 5 mil up, and I can assume then it's going to be going 5 mil across as well. So I'm going 5 mil up, and I'll be going 5 mil in as well. So I'll make sure that I go parallel here and set a 5 mil distance in there as well. Go 5 mil in there and go 5 mil in here as well. I can draw that heavy too. So after that then I have these divisions in between. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I take my 40 and divide it by 5 to get my equal divisions then. So that gives me a total of 8. So I'm going to set 8 mil increments in between. And take them all across like that there. And they're all heavy from this side across here. And then I have the lines going down then as well to the base there. and the line going up from the base there. Next thing I have are these sloping lines. Sorry, this one sloping line going there, and then I have another line going perpendicular out here and out here. So I'm going to use my T-square as a second set square, line it up like that, and then take that out. So just check and make sure that it is perpendicular, or if it's actually at a particular angle. So it's not at a particular angle. I can only assume just by looking at it that it's halfway between these two and halfway between those two. So what I'll do is I'll go up 4 from, let's see, which one is this? 1, 2, in between 2 and 3. So go up 4 here, take that across to give me that point. So I have that line there, and then the other one is on the same line as well. Take that across to here and join that back there. So that's part B then. Part C then, I'll just move the camera up and then move it back down after. It tells the elevation of the Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai is shown below. Complete the drawing of the elevation given the line AB below. So you can see there, I'm given line AB there. And it tells you then, locate the centre of the arc. Complete the elevation as shown in the image below. Note that the line AB needs to be divided into 4 equal parts to find each floor of the building. So we're going to divide that up to get each of these heights here, and then we're told that we need to get that this is actually part of a circle. So that line there is going to be a chord. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, get the centre of the arc. So what I'm going to do is take a light line across there, and just move the camera down a bit so you can see that distance end. You can just see at the bottom, at the top of the screen, it's 36, and I can draw that in heavy then. And the line from here to there, that is going to be a chord. So if that's a chord, if we bisect it, we can help find the center point. So along that line, it's going to be the centre of our circle. We're told it's a radius of 120. So if I take 120 on my compass and swing from A, where across it, that's going to be the centre of the circle. So I'll just move the camera away again. And then you can see cross over the two of them. Like that there. I'll just move down a bit more so you can see a bit more at the bottom of the question there. And now what I need to do is divide this line into 4 equal parts. So we take a line at a random angle, step out 4 equal distances. So what I'll do is I'm going to go out in increments of 20, 40, 60 and 80. Join the last one there to the end of the line, and use slide and set squares then the rest of the way. And that's now divided that into 4 equal parts. And that completes question 2 there.